Today I have these 3 unfinished wood stars, and I'm just going to remove the jute from the top, and I got these from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to start by using some of my Wise Owl Snow Owl paint and give each star a good coat. I actually even gave them 2 coats each. And then you just want to allow everything to fully dry before moving to the next step. Once that is fully dry, I'm then going to take my Wise Owl 1-hour enamel clear. You can also use the varnish for this step as well. And I'm going to apply a good coat to each star. I have these stickers I got from Hobby Lobby, and I got them in blue, gold, and red. And I'm just going to take a straight edge and go from one end of the star to the other to make my straight line. And the first one here, I'm going to put the word star. And I'm going to use the blue glittery stickers. If you have a Cricut, you can also make your vinyl letters or make a stencil. You could really do this however you want. The second star, I put the word Spangled, and the third star, I put the word banner. And then now I'm going to stagger my stars like this, and I'm going to cover the holes on the 2 end stars with my middle star. And I'm holding it together right now with hot glue, but I did go back and use some wood glue. It just does give a much stronger hold. Now I grabbed these rub-on transfers right from the Dollar Tree, and they are the Americana theme. They have the American flag, the eagle, the Statue of Liberty, that kind of thing. So I'm just going to start by just cutting out some of the different designs. And I'm going to start with the Statue of Liberty, and I'm going to put it in the bottom corner of my center star. And with these, since you're getting them from the Dollar Tree, it does not come with a tool, so I'm just using a popsicle stick, but because we work with transfers a lot, the transfer tool worked good as well. And then you're just going to rub it in place and then lift the top sheet when you feel like it has adhered. Then on my third star, I'm going to place the eagle, and again, you're just rubbing over it and then lifting the top sheet, and your gold transfer will adhere to your surface. Now, the reason I did the 1-hour enamel clear prior is it just gives it a nice, smooth, slick surface for the transfer to adhere better. And then I put the American flag on the first star, and then I did go around and just add some wording as well. I have this ribbon that came from Hobby Lobby, and it has the blue, burlap, and red, so I'm just going to cut each color into a strip of ribbon. I'm going to tie a knot, and then I'm going to wrap it around this wooden dowel I have to kind of just give it a spiral look. This is a wired edge ribbon, so it bends whichever direction you want it to. So I'm just going to do that with each piece. So I start with the red, and now I'm doing the blue. I'm just going to tie it in half, and then each side I'm going to wrap around the wood dowel. Now the burlap piece did not have a wired edge ribbon, so I just took the red and blue, tied them together, and did that for the center star. Now I grabbed these wood beads from Hobby Lobby. They were, I believe, 40% off. I think it's a napkin ring holder, but I liked the red, white, and blue wood beads, so I'm going to put them on a piece of jute. And I'm just going to use 6 of them. And I'm just going to set that aside for now, once I have all the beads strung on. Now I'm going to go back to the ribbon, and I'm just going to hot glue them at the top. Again, you can also use the E6000. And the center star here, I'm going to work on just covering that hole. You can also use the hole to hang the hanger if you want to, but since this is such a light project, I'll just glue the hanger to the back. And you can also glue down the ends of the ribbon if you don't want them flopping around. You can kind of make them stay in the position of your choice. And then I'm just going to take the bead hanger I made, add some E6000 on the back center star, and then I'm just going to take a small piece of a popsicle stick and hold that in place until it fully dries. And there's our hanger. And then we just have this very easy Star Spangled Banner decor. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage as well. Have a great day.